With Anita Henriksdottir, who's just won the girls' 800 metres at the World Youth Athletics. How does that feel, Anita?
Very, very good. I've been hitting for this championship for a very long time, so I'm very happy about winning the gold.
Tell us about the race, because it looked as though you had to be patient. You only sort of got into the lead coming down the back straight at the first lap.
Yes, it started very fast, you know. Everybody was so stressed up, and I just hang, you know. And then it was hard to, get to the lead, but I did it. But it was very fast pace, so I think it was hard for everyone else. So I didn't finish very strong, but strong enough, you see.
What does it mean to you, Anita? What does winning the gold medal mean to you and for doing it for your country?
I'm not sure. I'm just very, very happy now.
Okay.
Tired.
And tired,
Yes.
yeah. I'll let you go. Just one final thing. What will you take from these championships?
Very good experience, you know, of such a big competition, and we've been like a hot favorite on such a big championship. So this was very good, you know, to try that.